Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today we're going to talk about how to get smooth, baby soft feet for summer. This item that I'm going to talk about is something that I recently found, and of course you can go get a pedicure to get your feet done, but this was something that was fun and easy to do at home. This is by Levinso. It's a foot exfoliating mask, and there's two masks in this box, and I'll put a link down below where you can get this. And basically all they are, I don't want to unwrap them because then they won't be any good, but there's two plastic, they look like socks. They're big plastic socks, and you can just tape them around your feet. And all you do, you just put them on your feet, leave them on for about an hour, and then you take them off, rinse and wash off your feet. And it says within 3 to 7 days after application, the dead skin will start peeling off. These are the lavender scented ones, and these have all kinds of acids: lactic acid, malic acid, papain, and salicylic acid in them. And I'm going to just show you the pictures. I'll show you the before pictures, and yeah, my feet just looked a little dry, but they weren't, anything that bad. And then I'll show you the after pictures. Now again, it said that it takes 3 to 7 days for them to start peeling. It took a good 7 days for me to even notice anything. And when the skin starts coming off, it doesn't hurt or anything. It's just big chunks of skin. One caution, don't start peeling the skin off, because you could peel too much and then of course peel something that's not ready to peel and then cause damage and infection and things like that. So just kind of let it peel naturally, and then when you get out of the shower you can maybe take your towel and rub your feet to try to get some of the excess off. But I will say my feet are really, really soft and smooth after using this a couple weeks ago. I hope you enjoyed today's quick beauty tip on how to get soft, baby smooth feet without having a pedicure. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll also consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe and you click the little bell, you can get notified every time I post a video. Thanks so much, you guys, and have a great day.